From here, we're going to bring some awareness to our shoulder alignment using the MSA Strap to support and engage and give us feedback. So using a strap on your lower wrists, you're going to go in, so when your hands are outer shoulder width apart, you plant one hand, pull the second hand. There's a nice traction. So there's a sense of your forearms being hugged together, which will make it easier for you to find the external rotation. Now, internal rotation basically means the shoulders are by the ears, right? External rotation means our biceps is now starting to turn forward and we increase the space between the upper arms and the ears. So the strap will help you guide your shoulder alignment there, which can be very challenging, especially in tight shoulders. And it's there where you feel much more work being done. So keeping that nice solid traction, roll your upper arms out, feel the down dog, feel it in the plank, which is easier to access. And once you have it in your plank pose, keeping the shoulders away from the ears, lower down through the knees for cobra pose, keeping the shoulders behind the wrist as you actively root through the index finger mound, inner outer wrist, just solid grounded hands. And then just pause for a moment so I can show you on my knees what I mean. So with the arms overhead, which is the case in the downward dog, oftentimes the space between ears and shoulders decrease and the shoulders do the opposite of staying open, they internally rotate. So the strap here will assist you to do the opposite, which is basically externally rotate the arms. And then as you reach your arms overhead in the downward dog, which is upside down, you want to maintain that external rotation, and especially so as you go through a form of sun salutation, you're keeping your shoulders really connected as you're weight bearing them. Let's keep in mind there's a small joint that's not as well covered as the hip. So